I'm Shoba from English Coliseum Academy. Today, we will be discussing about how to improve our letter. Usually, when students get the correction, we have often say them, just going through it, they'll just fold it and they'll just keep aside. From today onwards, you should try to change this habit. Make a checklist of your common mistakes. It can be your grammar mistakes, it can be your punctuation errors, or else it can be a sentence structure. It can be a content selection also. Identify your mistakes. Make note of it. Do the correction by yourself. When you're doing this on a regular basis, definitely I can assure you that you will see the required changes in your letters. I hope you will be following this tip. Thank you.